Hello friends, let's now all together make a seesaw out of a candle. First, let's make a hole in the middle of one of our straws. Let's do the piercing with one end of a paper clip. We might not find the exact center, but it can be somewhere close to the middle. Let's thread this through. As you will see in the image in the book, it will look like this. Let's place our candles on both ends of the straw, securing them with paper clips. Now, let's attach the other candle. Let's place our other straw vertically into some Play-Doh. I thinned out this part of the paper clip to make it rotate more easily. Let's light this side first. Let's see if our seesaw will move. Let's extinguish this side. Now, let's light the other candle. Let's see if our seesaw will move. As it appears, when one side is lit and the candle melts, it starts to rise upwards. The reason for this is actually due to a loss of mass, causing the side where it is located to lighten and rise up.